Hello, mabilisan lang tayo mag-review on how to find the slopes and zeros of linear functions given a graph, equation, and table of values. Let's start with multiple choices. Number 1. Which of the following is a linear function? A. Y equals 2x plus 3. B. Y equals x squared plus 1. C. Y is equal to the square root of x. And D. Y is equal to 1 over x. What do you think? The answer is letter A. Remember that in linear function, the highest degree should be 1. Number 2. The graph of a linear function is always A. Curve, B. Straight line, C. Circle, D. Parabola. The answer is letter B. Straight line. Number 3. The slope of the line y equals 3x plus 2 is A. Negative 3, B. 0, C. 2, 3, D. The answer is letter D. Lagi siyang kasama ng variable x. Number 4. Which equation has a slope equal to 0? A. Y equals 4. B. Y equals 2x. C. Y equals negative x plus 3. D. Y equals 5x minus 1. The answer is letter A. Ang technique dito yung walang variable x. That is a zero slope. Number 5. If a line passes through 0, 2, and 2, 6, its slope is A4, B3, C2, D1. So in this case, we have to solve it first. Okay, we can assign which is the first point or the second point. Let's say this is our first point and the second one is our second point. So remember that the formula for the slope is the difference of x, or rather y, over the difference of x. By substitution, we have 6 minus 2 and 2 minus 0. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 2 minus 0, it's 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So what letter is that? Letter C. Let's have true or false. The graph of a linear function is always a straight line. Is it true or false? That is true. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. True or false? That is also true. Number 8. Linear functions can have more than one slope. True or false? That is a false statement. We can only have one slope sa kahit anong given, let's say, in one linear function. Isa lang yung slope niyan. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. True or false? That is true. Number 10. The zero of a linear function is the value of x when y equals 0. True or false? That is true. Let's go with identification in this part of the question, you have to identify the correct answer. So just give the required value, term, or expression. In the function y equals negative 4x plus 7, what is the slope? What do you think? The slope is negative 4. Remember, lagi siyang nasa katabi ng variable x. Find the zero of y equals x plus 9. You can pause this video para masolve mo muna. Then, play mo na lang ulit. Okay, the answer is negative 9. I hope you have the same solution. What is the slope of the given graph? Bilang ka muna. Okay, the correct answer is 1. The slope is 1. Paano yon? So, we're going to count the rise and then the run. We'll start with the rise. 1, 2, 3. Hanggang dito lang kasi ito yung katapat ng kabila. So, we have 3. And then another, yung run, going to the right, so it's positive. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 3, that is 1. State the range of a linear function. You can pause this video para makapag-isip and then play mo na lang ulit. Well, the range of any linear function is the set of all real numbers, or y such that y has an element of real numbers. Lagi yan. Also the domain. All set of real numbers din yun. What is the zero of the given graph? Isip muna, saan dyan ang zero? What do you think? The zero is at negative 2. Sana na-recall yan. Find the slope and the zero of y equals 5x minus 10. Again, I am suggesting that you pause this video and then play na lang ulit kapag nakapag-solve na kayo. Dalawa yung hinahanap dito, the slope and the zero. Okay, the slope is always etong part na to, di ba? And then for the zero, we have to let y equal to 0. So, okay, the slope is 5 while the zero is 2. Sana nasusundan nyo to at nakakapag-review kayo. Pause nyo na lang and play yung video kung kinakailangan. This time, magsosolve naman tayo. What is the slope of a linear function given the table of values? Again, pause the video, solve it, and then play it so you will know the answer. The answer here is 3 over 2. So, I used here the first 2 points. Yun ang ginamit ko dito. Ito ang aking first point, ito ang aking second point. So, these are the solutions. Find the zero of the given table of values. Okay, again, pause, solve, and play it again. How are you going to solve for the zeros if the zero is not obvious in the table of values? Mahaba yung kailangan nito. The correct answer is negative 21 over 2. So, yan naman yung aking solutions dyan. Mag-guide naman kayo dyan. You have to start with the slope, and then using the slope, you can have the b or the y-intercept, and then using the slope and the y-intercept, kukuha nyo yung equation. This is the equation. Ayan. And then substitution na lang tayo. This one is easier. Given the table, find the equation of the function. Equation lang yung hinihingi dito equation lang. You can pause this and then play it again later. The correct answer is y equals 3x plus 2. So again, you have to get the slope and then the value of b. Kasi yun naman yung ating, remember that we follow y is equal to mx plus b. Diba? So, kung alam natin yung m at saka yung b, meron na tayong equation. Yun yung ginawa natin dito. This is the last question. A jeepney fare is 12 pesos for the first 4 kilometers and 2 pesos for each additional kilometer. Write the function and find the cost of a 10-kilometer ride. Again, pause the video, solve it, and then play it again para makita nyo yung sagot. So let's have first the function or the equation for this problem. It should be y equals 2x plus 12. Yan dapat yung inyong ginamit na equation. And also, you cannot use 10 kilometer. Kasi meron tayong idea na first 4 kilometer. 12 na kaagad yung first 4 kilometer. So, hindi kasama yung 4 kilometers doon sa additional 2 pesos. So, dapat, nag-10 minus 4 muna kayo. Yun yung, kaya 6. 6 dapat yung value ng x ninyo, not 10. So, it should be, the cost of a 10-kilometer ride is only 24 pesos. Okay, I hope makatulong itong video na to sa inyo to recall on how to find the slopes and zeros given the equation, the graph, and the table of values. Kung medyo nabilisan, balik-balikan nyo na lamang yung part na kailangan ninyo. Okay? Good luck! Bye!